Changing the email link to your YouTube account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your current email and password. Make sure you are using the account you wish to change. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Info. In the Google account settings, find and click on the Personal Info tab on the left side menu. Here, you can manage your personal information, including your email. Step 4. Change your email address. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Verify your new email. Check your new email inbox for a verification email from Google. Click on the verification link to confirm the change. This step is crucial to ensure your new email is linked to your YouTube account. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in your Google account for further assistance.